Jeremiah Corporation, product manager for our long travel suspension products. I'm going to show you today the new BOXXER. The new BOXXER product for us for 2010 is the first time we've ever done a redo of this chassis since our first introduction in 1995. It's lighter, more precise, and ultimately faster than any previous BOXXER we've made. To help get to the astoundingly low weights that we have of under 6 pounds at the BOXXER World Cup level, we've gone to a 35mm upper tube that we've made quite thin by maximizing our upper tube material properties while still maintaining the strength by having the large diameter upper tube, where it allows us to carry more of the strength in the upper tube and then take some of the material away in the steerer. So the steerer tube is actually the lightest steerer Shox has ever produced. We've also gone to new crowns, which are forged truss crowns. You can see in the arms that we've removed some material, but by maintaining the forging process, we still maintain a lot of strength. As we go down to the bottom of the lower leg, we have a new Maxolite DH, which is 26 grams lighter than their previous Maxolite. One other benefit to the Maxolite DH is the fact that we can get higher expansion forces through using stainless steel wedges, which allows us to get really high torque values on that axle and allows it still to be able to release without having any issues. During the process, we went through 31 chassis iterations in order to get to what we would consider an ultimate performance chassis. We're looking to get a chassis that is stiff but not too stiff. We feel like once you reach a certain level of stiffness, you start to get too much deflection out of the chassis. All new damper for us, the Mission Control DH, which is featured on the BOXXER World Cup and the BOXXER team. It's the next evolution of Mission Control. It's purely focused around bump performance. It features high-speed compression and low-speed compression externally adjustable, and then also beginning and ending stroke rebound externally adjustable. That's the first time that a commercial fork's been made available to us, to the public, excuse me, with those types of adjustments. We'll take a quick look at what the damper internals look like. So you see it's a much bigger version of our standard Mission Control that you can find in Totem and Lyric. However, if you look at the rebound assembly, you use this huge 19mm shaft, which creates a high displacement system, which allows us to move a lot more oil through the compression assembly and create super smooth transitions between our two circuits. Boils down to the front wheel feels really locked to the ground, allowing you to have more control. If we go to the top of the spring tube, on the BOXXER World Cup, we feature a new redesigned solo air system with an air volume adjust. That air volume adjust allows you to control the bottom out progression of the fork. We have two other models, the BOXXER Team and the BOXXER Race, which feature coil spring options. BOXXER Team has a new drop stop system in it, and BOXXER Race features motion control IS, but you lose the drop stop system. One other product we have in addition to it is a new Pulsefeller direct mount stem, which will be available in 50mm and 60mm lengths, color matched to the BOXXER. So it'll come in this black color, it'll come in white, which BOXXER also comes in, and the original BOXXER blood red.